So for today's vlog, we will going to update you what's going on na development dito sa Capital Town, which is a 35.6 hectare development by none other than Mega World. Hi future homeowners and to our existing valued investors here in Capital Town. So welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Your Top Realtor. So together with me to give you updates si Miss Serena, yung toliwanag, no? So we will show you around kung anong na nga ba as of 2025 yung updates dito. So let's go. So dito sa Chelsea, this one is already operational. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Chelsea. And on the ground level niya, nandito na yung Zeus Coffee. Ayan, so operational na to. And I think they would really love to expand, no? More. And sino yung potential tenant kaya natin sa ground level pa, Miss Serena?
Yes. So, ngayon po, no, although hindi pa siya sure, pero may nag-inquire na 7-Eleven.
Okay.
Dito sa retail area natin dito sa Chelsea Parkway. So, kagandahan sa mga condo developments natin dito, Sir Alan, all of our condo developments have their own amenities and retail area on the ground
Wow.
floor.
So, once you go downstairs to your condo, there you go. You can have your cup of coffee,
Yes.
convenience store, diba?
Yeah, convenience
Whatever
stores.
that you need, nandito na.